Navigating Steam refunds. Who can request a refund for a gifted game?
Hello and welcome. In today's discussion, we're delving into a common question related to Steam, the popular gaming platform, particularly with regards to gifted games. The key question we're exploring is, can the recipient of a gifted game on Steam request a refund, or does this need to be done by the person who gifted the game? It's an important topic for both gift givers and receivers on Steam, and we're here to clarify things for you.
What is the Steam refund policy?
First things first, let's talk about the Steam refund policy. Steam has a pretty clear and generous policy when it comes to refunds. For most games, if you've owned them for less than 2 weeks and played them for less than 2 hours, you can generally request a refund. However, it's worth noting that there are some exceptions to this policy, depending on the type of content you've purchased.
How does refunding gifted games work?
Now, when it comes to gifted games, the rules are slightly different. On Steam, the person who purchased the gift needs to request the refund, not the recipient of the gift. This means that if you received a game as a gift, you won't be able to request a refund directly. Instead, the person who gave you the game would have to do this.
What are the steps for requesting a refund for a gifted game?
So, if you're the person who gifted the game, here's how you can request a refund. 1. Log in to your Steam account. 2. Go to Help, Steam Support. 3. Choose Purchases. 4. Find and select the game you want to refund. 5. Choose It's Not What I Expected. 6. Select I'd like to request a refund. 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Remember, the game must meet the standard refund conditions. It must be refunded within 2 weeks of purchase, and the recipient should have played it for less than 2 hours. And that's the rundown on how refunds work for gifted games on Steam. Only the person who originally purchased the game can request a refund, not the recipient. It's crucial to know these details to manage your expectations and navigate the Steam platform effectively. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy gaming and gifting on Steam!